Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple and easy face cam. So let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is create a new document and make the dimensions 1920 by 1080 and have the resolution at 72. Make sure the background content is also transparent and just hit create. From here, bring up the shape layer with square or rectangle and make the size 1280 by 720. From here, you want to go into the settings of the square and remove the fill. Go to the outline and switch it to 18. And make sure it's on inner outline. And switch the color to whatever you like. In this case, I'm using red. After the first rectangle, make another layer. And make another rectangle, it doesn't matter the size right now. After that, make sure the rectangle is behind the first one. And switch it to the color or whatever. In this case, I'm going to darker blue. Then add a new layer, make another rectangle with a corner bend of 5, make it slightly smaller in width, and change the color to a lighter version of your background one. After that, you can keep it there for right now and duplicate it and add one to the other side as well so it's symmetrical. At that point, you can group them, select all, and just center it temporarily. Then go into your shapes tool, grab your ellipse, and make a small circle right here. Make sure it's above everything and switch the color to your main red. You can rescale it to whatever. I think that's fine. Now that you have that done, you can import your logo. In this case, I'm using the duck that I drew. And just rescale it till it fits nicely in the circle. After you got that done, you can add the different icons. So we're going to put a $sign here, switch the font to something bolder, and rescale it. And put the icon on the right side or left side, either one. And then on the other side, put a plus sign and rescale it to your liking. After that, you can group them, and same thing we did last time, we can just select all and center them, and now they're perfectly centered. So now that you've got that done, we can start working on exporting it. So group all the layers you've made into one group, duplicate that group, and merge it with Control E. You can hide the back group. Once you've got it all in one layer, take the crop tool and crop it to the sides. You can go ahead and export it to wherever you want, and you're finished. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this helps, and good luck on your YouTube stuff.